Hi, it's Addie and Tally, and this is our channel now.
Excuse me, my butt spot, my foot spot.
Hi, welcome to my channel, My New Me, where you get to watch as I try to make sense out of the chaos that has become my life and my home. How lucky are you?
What are we doing? Taking a bath? Excuse me. Hey, what are we gonna do about this? It's my spot. No, it's yours. It's bath time. You little miss, what are we gonna do about it? It's my foot spot. Hey. Excuse me. It's my butt spot. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. What are you doing about it, huh? That's my foot spot. Yes, it is. Excuse me. Nope. I guess I have to go find somewhere else to sit. I'll go sit in a corner by myself, okay? You okay with that? Okay.
Hi, it's Brenda, and I stole my channel back. So this is a long promise video that, I've said it before, I'm consistently inconsistent. For those of you who do not know, quite a while ago I opened a Teespring shop where I designed a bunch of t-shirts, stickers, and mugs using different words, quotes, things from my channel. Probably the biggest thing would be Addie with her little attitude, because that's the most important, right? Of course it is. For those who are interested, they can email me pictures of the items that they purchased to the email listed below, and I'll include them in a video. And that's what this video is. Yay! So thank you very, very much for making your purchases, for sending me the pictures, and hanging out with me once again. This first poor lady has been so patient. She sent these pictures in to me forever ago. They should have been the video I did last year, and I lost them on my computer somehow. But now they're here. So Sylvia, I am very, very sorry about that. But I love the way the mugs look with your Mickey Mouse toaster and on the tablecloth you have. And I just want to thank you so very, very much for your patience and for your purchase and for being a super turtle. And she put the My New Me sticker on her household notebook to help keep her on track. How cool is that? Thank you so much again. Lauren Q ordered a My New Me sticker and it came. She put it on her laptop and loves it there. I love it there. Thank you so, so much, Lauren. It really is awesome. Here's a picture from Gadget Addict. She liked her Super Turtle shirt so much, she trained her house panther to guard it. Or it could be he just chose to do so. So he's on permanent guard duty. Kind of blends right in with his shirt, doesn't he? Very pretty little cat. Thank you. And then we have Lady K. That's not her name. That's just a name I made up for her. She sent this email forever ago. I found it in a random folder in my Gmail labeled Saved for Later. No idea where that came from, but there was a whole ton of emails in there. So if some of you are getting some responses from months ago, that would be why. I just found them. So I don't know what name she wanted to be called, so I just made up my own for her. I hope you don't mind. But she bought one sticker for her Bible journal, one for her habit tracker, and then one for her household notebook. Thank you very, very much, Lady K. And after all that hard work, I needed a nap. And apparently I needed assistance with my napping. So once I was thoroughly schooled on proper nap protocol, I asked the boy to take a picture. She snuggled in, got herself settled, and fell right to sleep. So no, he wasn't creeping on me. I was still awake and asked him to take a picture of us because it was just too cute. But thank you very much to everyone. If you would like your own products from the Teespring shop or even just to check them out, I put the link in the description box below. And if you would like one of your pictures put in a future video, please email them to me. My email is also in the description box and I will get them around. Can't guarantee a time apparently, but I will get them around. Thanks for watching. Take care and toodles.